frogs that can survive being frozen solid sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a real-life superpower. Meet the wood frog, a tiny amphibian that turns into a frosty popsicle in winter, halting its heartbeat and freezing up to 70% of its body water. As temperatures drop, its liver pumps out glucose, acting like a natural antifreeze, protecting its cells and tissues from ice damage. When spring arrives, the ice melts, and these frogs thaw out. Their hearts miraculously start beating again, bringing them back to life in a jaw-dropping display of nature's resilience. Scientists are fascinated by how these frogs cheat death and are studying their secrets, hoping to unlock new medical breakthroughs for humans. Imagine a creature that sleeps through winter in an icy tomb, only to wake up and hop away as if nothing happened.